Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my Zippo collection. So here goes, this is my baby blue matte finish Zippo. It just says Zippo right there, and well, that's good. The second one I ever got is this Zippo chrome finish. I think called the Zippo. I don't know, but as you can see, it's got the zipper across there, and it says Zippo right there in the zipper. And man, there we go. Yeah, I think we need to fill that up. Okay, and my third Zippo is the white houndtooth design Zippo. Got this one in the mail off eBay, like for 19 bucks or something, you know. That's good. My fourth Zippo that I've had is this Zippo, which I don't know what it's called, but I think it's really cool. I don't really use it though, because it's weird to cooperate with. As you can see, it's got the blue dot in the middle, and all these lines coming out. You know, well, it's good. It's just kind of awkward. I don't know. And after I'm done showing you these, I'll go through and read the bottom of them for you guys. This is a new one that I have, and I'm gonna ask you, Cutlerylover, if you can tell me what's wrong with this. I'm not sure if it's just old or not, but it's Marlboro Cowboy Zippo, and I got it from my friend. Traded him my Jaguar Bell song for it. And the weird thing is, you can't really read the bottom there, and the wheels, it takes a while to light. Like, it moves really well, but I mean, you know, it's weird. There we go. And then it takes a while, and then and the insert is weird too, because all the writing is sideways. So, and it's all scratched up, and I know you can't see it, I'm sorry about that, but do you know what that means? Or I don't know. I don't think it's fake. I mean, very well could be, but I mean, it fits very well in the case. That might be why it's all scratched up, but like, now that was a little difficult to open, and all these ones, like when you pull it out, really easy. I don't know if it's just because it's the newer Zippos or what, but anyways. First Zippo I got was made in, this is J, so it'd be October 2010. Zippo. This one was made in that's 6 months, so it'll be June. So this Zippo was made in June. You see that? Sorry about me counting, I'm really bad with the alphabet and stuff. This one was made in February 2010. Oh, I didn't see what year this one was. Oh, this one was also made in 2010. This one was made in the 8th month, so it's August 2010. Yep, 2010. And I can't read this one. I mean, on the bottom, like, it's seriously, I don't know if it's too heavy paint or what, but I can't even, like, make out the letter. It looks like an L. but I do not know what year that is. I don't know at all. So, yeah. Well, thanks guys for watching my Zippo collection. Give you a recap. And there should be still more yet to come. These are all in order. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.